It's 7:05 a.m. right now. So I would say I let him in like around maybe 7:45, something like that. 7:45, 7:50. So now he's in the window. It's tuxedo. Today is Friday. Yes, today is Friday, July 18th, 2025. Hope he's not biting off the plate. What you doing, tuxedo? It's 7:39 a.m. and it's Sunday, July 20th, 2025. Today is Sunday. So I'm gonna be short on cat food, but I'm gonna open these. So it's 7:03 a.m. and today is Monday, July 21st. So it's 6:40 a.m. and today is Thursday. So I have another janaza I'm going to today. So yeah. So today has to be the 24th. Today is Thursday, July 24th, 2024. No, today is the 24th, 2025, I mean. So it's 7:27 a.m. I think now. 7:27 a.m. Today is Friday, July 25th, 2025. July 25th, 2025. And today is Friday, and this is Tuxedo, of course. So Tuxedo is eating those 2 cans of food on top of some dry food. So it's 7:36 a.m. and this is Mr. Tuxedo. It's Tuxedo, and today is Saturday, July 26, 2025. Go Tuxedo. Go Tuxedo. So they like the one where it's a chunky gravy. So when you have cats from the outside, they really don't drink a lot of water. So the gravy, I read, it helps to keep them hydrated. So I usually like that little round one. It's called like a patty. And then I always put the chunky gravy on top of it. And then it's like a little dry food underneath. Sometimes dry food helps them with hairballs, because they're always licking themselves to stay clean.